Alright, I'm going to show you guys how I store my fishing gear in my truck toolboxes. That way it's really helped me out, save space in the back of the truck and in the cab of the truck, so I could actually put my kayak back here and all that. So I'm gonna start out with this big toolbox. All three of these boxes are Cobalt. I store my hand bilge pump, my shade tent, my chair, some rope, and I could also fit my live well cooler in here, and I could fit a lot more stuff in here. This is just all the extra stuff I needed over the weekend. And over here in these side mount toolboxes, I got my jugs right here. I use these weights from my jugs. They're just weights from old cast nets I found that people left behind. And I got my trout lines. I'll do a video on that. I got my terminal tackle. Of course, I got my rain gear and all that stuff in here as well. And then in this one, I got my flow troll box. I got my fly reel and fly tackle in here. I got all my catfish rod holders down there. In here's all my bluegill and crappie fishing gear. And then I got my fuel and repellent pads for my mosquito things in here. I got a couple extra plugs for the boat in here, and this is all my rod and reel maintenance stuff, and tent sticks, some extra rags. So I just wanted to pass that on. That's how I store a lot of my fishing gear. These two side mounts stay fishing gear all the time now, because all the tools I used to keep in both of these I don't need to carry every day anymore. So I just want to pass that on. I'll catch you later.